The luxury cruise Cordelia that turned a COVID hotspot docked in Mumbai on Tuesday evening with 66 confirmed infections. All 66 positive passengers opted for hotel quarantine. They have been shifted to different hotels across and will be staying at their own expenses. Soon after the ship was anchored at Ballot Pier in South Mumbai, BMC officials conducted mass testing of all excepting the 66 cases. RT-PCR test results of those tested negative in Goa are expected to be out in about a short while from now. People who tested negative are going to be allowed to disembark from the ship but will have to remain in home isolation for a week. People who are outside of Mumbai will be allowed to travel to their place. However, people who test positive will have to undergo quarantine in Mumbai itself.
The luxury Cordelia cruise, which turned into a COVID hotspot while at sea, dropped anchor in Mumbai on Tuesday after 48 hours of a traumatic journey for its high-end passengers. But it was not the end of their ordeal. The passengers who had left Mumbai on January 1st for a Gala New Year cruise was not allowed to leave the ship. A team of BMC health officials waited on shore as the ship docked in Mumbai. The team boarded the vessel to carry out mass testing of some 1,900 passengers. The 66 people who had tested positive while the ship was off the Goa coast were removed in ambulances to be isolated. The rest were told to stay on the ship till their RT-PCR results came. Ambulances were on standby to take any positive cases for quarantine.
ये जो कार्डेला जो क्रूज़ है ये 1 तारीख को मुंबई से निकला था गोवा के लिए, ठीक है। 2 तारीख को इन लोगों के एक ग्रुप रैपिड एंटीजन टेस्ट में पॉजिटिव आया था। इसके लिए इन लोगों ने सब टेस्टिंग किया था अराउंड 2000 पैसेंजर्स का। उसमें 66 लोग पॉजिटिव आए हैं। उसमें से 6 लोगों को खाली गोवा में उतरे हैं और बाकी के 60 लोग ऑन बोर्ड ही है। तो अभी ये क्रूज़ वापस आ रहा है। आज 4th डे है। ऑलरेडी उन लोगों ने सबका टेस्टिंग किया है, बट मुझे मुंबई के आने के पहले मुझे उन लोगों का सबका RT-PCR टेस्टिंग करना है।
The ship had set sail from Mumbai with 2,016 passengers who shelled out upwards of 50,000 rupees for a ticket. On January 2nd, one crew member tested positive. A day later, on January 3rd, 66 more caught the virus. To add to the chaos on the ship, Goa authorities refused to allow those who tested negative to deboard. Stranded at sea, the 3-day dream cruise soon became a nightmare for passengers.
मैं 7108 में रहता हूँ। मेरे बाजू 7106 कोविड पॉजिटिव है, 7104 कोविड पॉजिटिव है।
अच्छा, so you're saying all those COVID positive people, passengers have been placed in rooms right next to those who are COVID negative. So you inevitably will have to cross paths.
Yeah, and I requested them a lot कि मुझे आप रूम शिफ्ट करा दीजिए, एक फ्लोर आप कोविड वालों को दे दीजिए, नेगेटिव वालों को एक फ्लोर दे दीजिए.
But there was no such arrangement done, and the people positive are placed right next to the rooms of the negative people.
Facing flak, the Cordelia ship management insisted that all COVID protocols were followed during the cruise. Only passengers with COVID negative certificate had been admitted on board. Cordelia said that the way Goa government had reacted was unfortunate.
Now, who are responsible for the corona blast on this particular Cordelia cruise ship? The Mumbai officials and the Port Trust officials who gave the permission to travel of around 2,000 people together on this particular cruise ship. Third, the Cordelia cruise official who did not check their own crew member RT-PCR test. The fourth are the Goa government officials who did not allow the negative or the positive people to deboard the ship in Goa itself. With camera person Vijay Desai, this is Saurabh Vakhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Saurabh Vakhtania is now joining us for the very latest. Saurabh, what is the latest coming in? Has the management even responded? This cruise ship is a complete mess turned into a COVID hotspot. We've walked our viewers through all that is being done for the positive and the negative passengers right now. But where is the official response coming in from the Cordelia management?
So the Chaiti Cordelia officials have finally responded to the India Today query. After almost 24 hours, they responded with a long statement. What they are saying is that the RT-PCR report of all the passengers was done before boarding the ship. In fact, they also checked that all the passengers were double vaccinated. Now they are saying this, that one of the crew who was having backdoor duty, he was having some symptoms, after which the antigen test was done. They are also blaming the Goa government officials that why the positive people were not allowed to deboard the positive patient and put them in quarantine in Goa itself. Why all the positive and negative people were made to travel to Mumbai together. So this is what the Cordelia cruise officials are saying. They are also saying that all the money they are bearing, all the cost of the RT-PCR test they are bearing. But still the question remains is that when there is so many cases in Mumbai, especially the Omicron, highest number of Omicron cases in Mumbai, why over 2,000 people were even allowed to
The point, who is given this permission for 2,000 people in a pandemic to go on a ship like that? Do we have any response coming in on that front?
No response from the officials in Mumbai, no response from the port officials, and also no response from the Cordelia itself. They are saying that yes, we are investigating the matter, but right now nobody has taken responsibility. About the 66 passengers who had tested positive in Goa, let me tell you, now all have been deboarded from this Cordelia cruise ship, which you can see behind me. This is the Mumbai International Cruise Terminal, and that's the particular luxury Cordelia cruise ship. The 66 passengers who had tested positive are all been deboarded. They are given the option to go in the quarantine center in Bhaikala, or on their expenses they can go to the private hotels, that the 5-star, 4-star, 3-star and 2-star hotel. All of them have opted to stay in hotels. So the 66 positive patients are now shifted to different hotels of Mumbai. Now what about the over 900 people who had tested negative? The BMC had done a RT-PCR test on them. In an hour, we are expecting the report should be out. If they are positive, they have to undergo quarantine. But if they are negative, again, they have to be home quarantine for next 7 days.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Saurav, for that report right there.